Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be unboxing the Panzer.arms AR-12. And I know it says automatic shotgun, but trust me, it is not automatic. This is a semi-auto. I'm not sure why it says automatic. Guys, just a quick disclaimer. This thing is labeled as automatic shotgun, but it is not. It is in fact a semi-auto shotgun. You're going to be hard-pressed to find anything automatic for 400 bucks. Whether it be a shotgun, a rifle, or a pistol. But if you do find something that's fully automatic for 400 bucks, please let me know because I will buy that immediately. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. All right, so we're gonna remove this cardboard and let's see. First thing we have is our flip-up sights that come with the rifle, well, with the shotgun. We have a 5-round magazine, which I'll remove from the box as well. We have a second 5-round magazine. And then we have cleaning rod and the star of the show. We do have some paperwork here from Panzer, but we all want to see the shotgun, right? And there it is, without the magazine and without the sights. Let's go ahead and add that on there. So here are your flip-up sights that you got in the box. Pretty standard. You have one for the front and one from the back. Installation is a breeze, guys. All you gotta do is take off your screw here, and then it'll slide right in. And then you adjust to where you want them. Keep them in the back and the front, and then you reinstall your screw here. Okay. And obviously you're going to want to use a screwdriver to tighten this up, but you don't have to. And then here is your 5-round mag that goes in just like an AR. There's your flip-up sights. Better aiming. And there you go. Now this is not a muzzle brake, it's actually a shroud that goes over your barrel. Let me show you the controls on this, guys. Just like on an AR, you do have your safety and your fire switch. And then your charging handle is actually going to be right here. It's not going to be at the top, it's going to be right here. So you just pull that back, but I'm not going to load this right now. Alright guys, so let me talk about this gun real quick. Again, that is a barrel shroud over your barrel. Does have your 5-round box magazine. The stock is fixed. You can't adjust it, but you can adjust the cheek riser here and then lock it into place here. This gun was made in Turkey, so it's perfect for Thanksgiving. Also, about to set classic firearms, you do have the 5-round mag, but you can also get the 10-round mag. You know, I do believe they make a 20-round drum for this. I've never bought it. There you go. And again, this is a semi-auto shotgun, not an auto shotgun. Let's go ahead and take a look at what a fully automatic shotgun looks like. Okay, now let's take a look at what a semi-auto shotgun looks like. So there you go, guys, the Panzer.arms AR-12 semi-auto shotgun. This is fantastic for hunting. It's great for home defense. It's awesome for competition. It's fun for recreation. If they go ahead and ban the AR-15, then we have our AR-12s. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, all the other stuff that YouTubers say to do. Hit the notification bell, I guess. I don't even know what that is, but go ahead and do it.